Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on YFI token. As in my earlier video that I was showing you that YFI token has broken out a quite long-term falling wedge pattern, and this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price and got rejected by this uptrend line resistance and by this quite long-term resistance of $5,500 as well. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance is in fact the support of the previous ascending triangle that we have broken down. But I was telling you when we broke it down, I was telling you that at the same time the price line has also formed a bullish path pattern, a big bullish path pattern, and that is a falling wedge pattern. Therefore, I was expecting that the price line can re-enter the same triangle, and you can see that the price line has made the first attempt to re-enter the same triangle after the breakout from this wedge, but got rejected, and now it is moving above the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this previous very massive breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for YFI that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of October 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for YFI that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of October 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that YFI token formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying on and read the sell targets on here. And after hitting the sell targets on, the price and again moved down the same potential reversals on of this shark pattern. And before that, we caught almost 215% pump. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that YFI token formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal. First, it again entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice pump and read the sell target zone here and dropped down. Then we had a bigger pump. And this was almost 215%, very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of YFI. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that for the past several weeks it was moving inside this wedge, and after getting squeezed, finally we have broken out the resistance of the wedge, and right now the price line is getting accumulated above the resistance of the wedge that is now working as a support. Now we need to break out this uptrend line resistance and this long-term resistance of $5,500. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $5,500, this resistance has been previously breaking at the resistance here, support here, and support here. And now for the past few weeks, it is again working at a strong resistance. We got rejection here, and the price line is also rejected by this uptrend line resistance as well. If the price line breaks out these two resistance levels, the uptrend line resistance and $5,500 resistance, then it can re-enter the same triangle, the big ascending triangle that was broken down. And the technical target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the resistance of the triangle, and that is also the top of this wedge as well at $11,240. And over there we have a quite long-term resistance. You can see that this $11,240 was previously breaking at the resistance here. Despite this long spike, the price and could not break it out here, and again broke at the resistance here as well. Therefore, it can be another very strong and long-term resistance. And in case of breaking out this resistance, the price end will be also breaking out the resistance of this ascending triangle as well. And the target for the breakout from this ascending triangle will be here, approximately at $32,000. And the long-term target for the breakout from the big and long-term down channel will be here at the top of the channel, somewhere between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.